Good morning, grade 5. Let's complete our lesson. We take before the light energy, and we said the light has properties. The first property of the light that the light move in a straight line, and because the light move in a straight line, we have formation of image through narrow hole, which will be inverted and minimized, and we have the formation of shadow. And the second property is that the light transmits through different materials. And we said the different materials are transparent, semi-transparent, and opaque. The third property that we're gonna take is the light reflection. If you have a book in front of you, how we can see the book? The light will fall on the book, and then the book will reflect the light to our eye. So what's mean by the light reflection? It means the returning back of light or bouncing. What's mean by the word bouncing? Bouncing is like the rubber ball. If you have a rubber ball and you bounce into the earth, it will return back to you. So it's called bouncing or returning back of light when it fall on a reflecting surface, because if you don't have the reflecting surface, the light will complete moving in a straight line. So when I told you what's mean by the light reflection, it is a bouncing or the returning back of light when it fall on a reflecting surface. And we have two types of reflection. If I put in front of you a mirror and a book, can you see your image in the book and mirror, or only in the mirror? Only in the mirror. Why? Because this is a type of reflection called regular reflection. So the type of reflection where you can see your image is called regular reflection. Why we see your image in a mirror? Because the mirror first is a smooth and shiny surface. So to see your image, you must look to a what? To a smooth and shiny surface. Smooth and shiny surface. If I told you, give me another example. We can say the aluminium pots. We can say the kettles. We can say the glass. Why we can see our image in all of them? Because they are what? Because they are smooth and shiny. Why we see your image? Because the light that fall on the smooth and shiny surface will reflect it directly to your eye in one direction. So the light that fall on it will come directly to my eye, so I can see my image. So if I told you give reason, you can see your image in a mirror, we're gonna say because the mirror is a smooth and shiny surface, and because the light will reflect in one direction. And this is called regular reflection. So what's mean by the regular reflection? It's a type of light reflection when the light fall on a smooth and shiny surface, and the light will reflect it in one direction. Okay. The fourth property is the light refraction. If I put a pencil in a cup of water, but it's not completely filled with water, it contains a little amount of water and the other is empty. How we can see the pencil? Yes, it seems blocked. Why it seems blocked? Because the light here will move in two media or in two materials. First, it will move in the air, then it will move in the water. Let's say if you run on the sand and then you're gonna run in the sea, where are you gonna run faster? Yes, we're gonna run faster on the sand. the same for the light. The light is moving here in the air, then in the water. It moves fast in the air until it meets the water. It will become what? It will become slower. So, why we see the pencil broke? Because the light changed its direction when it's moving between two different transparent media, which are the air and the water. Due to the change in the light speed, as it moves in the air faster than the water. So again, when I told you what's mean by the light refraction, it is a change in the light direction when it passes between two different transparent media. Because if I put the pencil in an empty cup, can you see it broke? No, because it will move only in the air. And if I put the pencil in a cup completely filled with water, you will not see it also broke. So to see it broke, or to have a light refraction, the light must move between two different transparent media. So again, what is the light refraction? It is a change in the light direction when it passes between two different transparent media due to the change in the light speed, as the light will move in the air faster than the water. If I told you give reason, the pencil appear broke if it's put in a cup of water. So we're gonna say because of the light refraction or due to the light refraction. I can totally give reason. The bottom of the swimming pool appear in a higher position, or the fish under the water appears nearer than its normal position. All of these questions, the answer would be due to the light refraction. The last property is the light separation. What's mean by the light separation? It means the splitting or the separation or the division of the white light into 7 spectrum colors. The white light that's coming from the sun is not white light. No, it consists of what? It consists of 7 spectrum colors. What are the 7 spectrum colors? We will study it by the word ROIC BEV. ROIC BEV. R for orange, R for red, O for orange, Y for yellow, J for green, B for blue, I for indigo, and V for violet. ROIC BEV. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. What we will use to have the 7 spectrum colors, we will use something called glass prism. So what does the glass prism do? The glass prism separates the white light into 7 spectrum colors. If I told you why we can see the rainbow during the rainfall, we'd say because the water drops act like a glass prism. It made the same work of the glass prism. Now what it will do? It will separate the white light into 7 spectrum colors. So the water drops of the rain act like a glass prism and separate the white light into 7 spectrum colors. Thank you and bye bye.